Hi, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add countdown timer to your Wix website. So once you have opened your Wix website and go to the dashboard, and then on the top right side here you can see search bar. Just click on this. Now here search for Wix countdown timer. Now on the bottom here you can see urgency countdown timer. We are going to use this. Just click on this. And we need to install these apps to our site. Now let's click on add to site. Now it will be add to our site. Agree and add. So we have successfully added countdown timer in our site. Here you can see. So now let's click on settings. Now you can customize this countdown timer. Content, design. First one is type, and here you can see multiple options. First one is countdown to date, and the second one is countdown time. And you can use this also. If you choose this countdown time, then it will count down the time only, and you can choose countdown date. So let's select on countdown date, and now here you can see content. Just click on this content. Now you can change this in which date you want to start. So let's click on April 8. So I am going to choose this 10 April, and you can select the time, exact time, and to 13 April, and you can change the time. And here you can see title. Now you can change the title from here. Coming soon. You can add subtitle. This is for premium version, and this is for free. So we are going to choose this free, and you can change the alignment from here. You can change it left, right, corner. So let's make it center. Countdown level. This is for premium, and this is for free. Display second. And you can change everything from here. So this is how you can add countdown timer to your Wix website. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button.